Hello guys, it's another beautiful night and it is the exact time for our $500 per day trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually do a live analysis on each of the assets and to see the type of trade we can go for. Okay, I usually give tips on what to go for whenever you are trading. Okay, and that is what we do every night, and I'm really happy that so many people are taking advantage of this, and gradually they are making more profit every day, and they've been able to withdraw some this platform. Okay guys, that is what we will be looking at in today's video. And of course, if you are new on this platform, okay, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Here is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, more especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you do your personal practice and perfect your skill on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly do so right away, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have for today. So guys, we will be doing some analysis right here, and we will be focusing more on these four assets. Okay, I will be checking them one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, of course my trading tools, then definitely the exact time frame I'm using, and the exact time also the exact time you are watching this video. Okay, if you are not joining us live and direct like this, then you need to have a recheck on the chat before you follow whatever we have done in this video. Okay, and as for the $500 per day, that also depends on your trading capital, and of course your trading tools, or your lot size also is also in very it's also very important. So I'm not saying if you are not having big capital you cannot follow. Of course you can follow. The most important thing is you making consistent profit every day, and gradually you will be able to grow your trading capital to a level whereby you will be earning above up to $500 or even above it. Okay, I've had a few of my students are already making I think about two or three of them are making $200 and above. Okay, and most of them are above $100, and I'm really happy that they are doing this. They are taking advantage of this every day, so I'm really happy. So you too can do the same thing. So all you just need to do is just to keep to time, and of course follow instruction. If you can follow the instruction, then you will milk the market successfully. So let's go straight into the chart right away. We will be starting with boom 1000. Okay, so here is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5 minute time frame, and definitely sorry, this is boom 500. Let's start with boom 1000. Okay, this is 5 minute time frame, and I'm using my QDC scraper trading indicator, just the way you have seen it. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend and it ended it on this support zone, and it has been going up. It got to this resistance level, it led to a pullback, which is now fighting between this resistance and the support region. Okay, so it is looking for a way to break above this resistance level, so it should be having another attempt on it. It has attempted this resistance region 3 times. It should be having another attempt on it to see if it will break it. If broken, definitely this should be the next one. It is most likely it end the trend on this resistance zone. Okay, so quickly, let me quickly say this. Okay, the market is going to be a buy, but once it is approaching this resistance zone, it has proven to be stubborn several times. Definitely you should stay away from the market and wait for the market to decide if it's going to break it or not. If it pulls back, wait for the buy arrow again, and then you come in and buy into the market. But if it breaks it, then you continue with the trend to the very last part of it. Okay, so it is going to be a buy for boom 1000. So let's check out boom 500 right away. So this is boom 500 starting from this support zone. It started an uptrend. It got to this pullback a bit, then went back again and ended it on this resistance zone. Okay, it ended it on this resistance zone, and of course it has started a downtrend from there. So it should be a sell at the moment. Okay, but be watchful of this support zone. Once it is approaching it, you can stay away from the market and wait for it to decide if it's going to break it or if it's going to pull back. If there is a pullback, it is most likely for it to have a pullback. If there is a pullback, wait for the sell arrow to pop out again before you come in and sell. Okay, but once it is approaching the support zone again, stay away from the market and wait for it to decide. But once broken, then you can trade till the next support zone. So it is going to be a sell for boom 500. So we will be checking out crash 1000 right away. So this is crash 1000, and of course this is crash 1000, and definitely the market went on downtrend starting from this resistance zone, and there are so many pullbacks in between, but it ended the trend on this support zone and it has started an uptrend. But this is a verified resistance zone which is pulling it back. So what you need to do is to buy whenever you get a buy signal, but once it is approaching this, then you stay away from the market and wait for it to break out from there, or it pulls back. If it pulls back, wait for the buy arrow again, then you jump in and trade. But if it breaks it, then definitely you jump into the trade again and trade to the next resistance level. So it is going to be a buy for crash 1000. So we will be checking out crash 500 right away. So guys, this is crash 500. This is crash 500 just the way we have seen it. It started a downtrend from here. There was a pullback here, but still continued with the downtrend and ended it right here. So it is now on uptrend. Okay, it has gone smoothly to this resistance zone. It is most likely that this will lead to a pullback. So if it pulls back, wait for the buy arrow to come out again, then you go into the trade. But once it is approaching the resistance zone, stay away from the market. Wait for the market to decide. If it breaks it, good. If it does not, then wait for the pullback and wait for the buy arrow again, then you jump into the trade again and buy till it get to the resistance level. It is most likely the trend end on this particular resistance level. Okay, so it is also going to be a buy trade for crash 500. So guys, these are all we are able to come up with tonight. These are all we are able to come up with tonight. It is important to follow instruction guiding, or attached to each of the analysis, so that you will be able to trade this asset successfully. And if you are new on this platform, or probably you are just learning to trade, then you need to go back to the to my channel to watch some of my training videos, so that you will understand the art of trading properly before you start trading on your real account. Okay, before you start trading on your real account, that is very, very important. And you need to practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you do that. Before you start practicing it or trying them out on your real account. That is very, very important, of course. And for those of you that have been milking the market all this while, for those of you that have been joining me to make some profit every night like this, all you need to do is just to go back to the chart. Make sure you check out the video again to understand everything that I have explained in the video, and apply everything on the chart, then milk the market successfully, and make sure you take profit and withdraw some part of the profit for your personal use. And do not forget to share your results with me by tomorrow morning. Of course, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen. And definitely, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God